How y'all doing? I'm Bubba Sawyer from Bayou Outdoor Supercenter over here at 4306 East Texas over here in Bossier City, Louisiana. Today we're going to be talking about a 2020 Malibu 21 VLX. This boat's actually 21 feet 6 inches long. It has 3,695 possible pounds of water ballast. It does have the plug and play system. That's why it's possible, because you can add more water ballast. It's got a 48-gallon fuel tank. That way you can actually spend all day on the water, to spend all kinds of stuff. It's got what's called a Wake Plus hull. That way you can do multiple tasks and toys and play with this thing right here. It's got tower speakers. It's got a subwoofer. It's got the Malibu screen that tells you all your information, what you want on the boat. It's a tow boat, therefore it's going to have the drive that you're looking for torque. It's going to have the surf gate, a power wedge for wakeboarding, surfing, whatever you want to do. I mean, this boat is very versatile. It's good for all the kids on the water for the very first time. That way they can learn everything they want to learn about water skiing. They want to surf, they want to wakeboard, they can do anything they possibly want on this boat right here. It's a very versatile boat, very fun boat to play on. It is can seat up to 13, 14 people, so it's a very, you can sit a lot of people in these boats right here. That way, come see us out here at 4306 East Texas Street, Bubba at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. We'd love to take care of you. You can check out our website at www.bayououtdoor.com, see what other units we have available. Thank y'all so much.